What I'm about to share with you might just save your engine from an early death and make it run smoother, faster, and more efficiently than you've ever imagined. If you've noticed your car lagging, struggling to accelerate, or burning through fuel faster than it should, it's not your imagination. And no, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars or become a master mechanic to fix it. With just a few smart, practical habits, you'll feel a real difference every time you step on the gas pedal. Stick with me, because these expert-backed tips can completely transform your driving experience and even extend your car's life by several years. Tips 1. Change your engine oil regularly. Let's start with the basics. The oil in your engine is its lifeblood. Without clean oil, your engine parts grind against each other, creating friction, heat, and accelerated wear. Experts from AAA and Car and Driver agree. Running your car on dirty oil is like forcing your heart to pump sludge. It's just not going to end well. Most manufacturers recommend changing your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles if you're using synthetic oil. But if you're constantly in stop-and-go traffic, driving short distances under 5 miles, or living in extreme temperatures, you should change it even sooner. Also, make sure you're using the right viscosity for your engine and climate. Using oil that's too thick or too thin for your engine can reduce lubrication efficiency, robbing your engine of power and responsiveness. Tips 2. Keep the air flowing. Next, think about your air filter. Imagine trying to run a marathon while breathing through a dirty mask. That's exactly what your engine experiences when the air filter is clogged. Engines require a precise air-to-fuel mixture to operate efficiently. According to the Car Care Council, you should inspect your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, and sooner if you drive in dusty conditions. A clean air filter can improve acceleration by as much as 11%. Replacing it is cheap, quick, and it delivers instant results. Your engine will breathe better, burn fuel more cleanly, and give you smoother performance. Tips 3. Spark plugs. Now let's talk about spark plugs. These tiny components are what ignite the air-fuel mixture inside your engine. Worn-out spark plugs lead to rough idling, weak acceleration, and even engine misfires. Most modern spark plugs are built to last between 60,000 to 100,000 miles, but your owner's manual will have the specifics for your vehicle. If you drive in extreme heat or cold, or if you do a lot of towing, it's smart to check them earlier. Many experts recommend upgrading to iridium spark plugs. These offer a cleaner, more powerful spark, which improves combustion efficiency, leading to better fuel economy and quicker throttle response. Tips 4. Fuel system cleaning. Another area that often gets overlooked is your fuel system. Over time, carbon deposits build up in your fuel injectors, restricting fuel flow and distorting the spray pattern. This leads to incomplete combustion and poor engine performance. Automotive technicians suggest using a good quality fuel system cleaner every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Brands like Chevron Techron and Royal Purple come highly recommended. For a deeper clean, especially if you've never done it before, consider a professional fuel system service every 30,000 miles. Think of it like a detox for your engine, clearing out years of gunk and restoring lost horsepower. Tips 5. Optimize tire pressure for reduced engine load. You might not expect it, but your tires play a role in your engine's efficiency too. Underinflated tires increase rolling resistance, forcing your engine to work harder just to keep the vehicle moving. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, properly inflated tires can boost your gas mileage by up to 3%. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and always before long road trips. Use a reliable pressure gauge and follow the recommended pressure listed inside your driver's door frame. Don't go by the numbers printed on the tire itself. Those are maximum limits, not recommended levels. Tip 6. Don't ignore the cooling system. Let's not forget about your cooling system. Your engine needs to maintain an optimal operating temperature for peak performance. If your coolant is old or your radiator is partially clogged, your engine may run too hot, leading to power loss and even permanent damage. Most experts suggest flushing your coolant every 30,000 to 50,000 miles, depending on your vehicle and driving conditions. Always use the correct type of coolant for your engine. This isn't a place to experiment. A well-maintained cooling system ensures your engine stays in the safe temperature range, improving performance and extending its lifespan. Tip 7. Transmission health equals engine efficiency. Here's another thing many drivers overlook: transmission health. Your transmission and engine work hand in hand. If your transmission is struggling, your engine ends up overcompensating, burning more fuel, and reducing overall performance. Change your transmission fluid regularly. Every 30,000 to 60,000 miles is a good rule of thumb. And just like with engine oil, make sure you use the correct type of fluid specified by your manufacturer. Healthy transmission fluid ensures smooth gear shifts and reduces strain on your engine. Tips 8. Reduce weight and declutter your car. While we're talking about reducing strain, let's address something simple yet effective. Vehicle weight. Every extra 100 pounds in your car can lower fuel efficiency by about 1%. Remove unnecessary items from your trunk. Get rid of roof racks when they're not in use. And avoid hauling around heavy gear unless you need it. Even small reductions in weight add up, helping your engine work less and perform better. Tips 9. Smooth driving habits. Driving habits matter more than you think. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and frequent stop-and-go driving are brutal on your engine. Smooth, gradual acceleration and maintaining a steady speed whenever possible can dramatically reduce engine load. According to Consumer Reports, adopting gentler driving habits can improve fuel economy by up to 30%. Using cruise control on highways helps too, by maintaining consistent speed and minimizing throttle fluctuations. This not only helps your engine run more efficiently, but also keeps your wallet happier at the pump. Tip 10. Warm up your engine before pushing it hard. Give your engine time to reach optimal temperature before heavy acceleration or high-speed driving. When you start your car, especially on cold mornings, the oil is thick and hasn't yet circulated fully through the engine. Even if modern engines don't need long warm-ups, giving your car 30 seconds to a minute of idle time before driving and then driving gently for the first few minutes allows your oil to flow properly and lubricate critical components. Experts at the American Automobile Association recommend avoiding hard revving or heavy loads on a cold engine, as premature stress can cause faster wear of internal parts like pistons, cylinder walls, and the turbocharger. This simple habit can extend engine life significantly, reduce long-term wear, and improve overall performance. So treat your engine like an athlete. Let it warm up before asking for top performance. Tips 11. Regular maintenance and diagnostic scans. Lastly, and this is essential, stay ahead of potential problems with regular maintenance checks and diagnostic scans. Using an OBD2 scanner every month or so can catch issues early, long before they trigger a check engine light. Devices like Blue Driver or FXD plug right into your vehicle and give you real-time updates on engine health. This kind of proactive maintenance can save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars down the line and keep your engine running at its best. Now let's pull all of this together. Clean oil ensures proper lubrication. A fresh air filter keeps your engine breathing well. Healthy spark plugs deliver strong ignition. A clean fuel system restores lost power. Proper tire pressure reduces drag. A well-maintained cooling system keeps your engine at the right temperature. Fresh transmission fluid ensures smooth power delivery. Reducing excess weight helps your engine work less. Smart driving habits preserve engine life. And regular diagnostics help you catch problems early. When you combine all these simple yet powerful actions, you give your engine the care it deserves. The result: better performance, improved fuel economy, and a longer lifespan for your vehicle. As top automotive engineers like to say, an efficient engine isn't just about horsepower or speed, it's about harmony. When every system in your car works together smoothly, your engine doesn't just run better, it thrives. So if you want to feel that satisfaction every time you press the accelerator, follow these steps. Not only will your car thank you, but your wallet will too. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to share it with your fellow drivers. Drive smart, stay safe, and keep your engine running better than ever.